All right.
So this is the house that we just bought to fix up and rent. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So here's the main living room.
Yeah. Have you already started in here?
What?
You've already started in here.
Yeah. So we've started removing all the trash and everything, and we're working on. And then we have the main kitchen, which we're removing all the empty food things and such that might be bringing bugs. Then we have the first bedroom, which we're just removing, going through everything, removing everything. And then we have the bathroom, which we're cleaning. We have another bedroom, which we need to get all the clothes out. Then we have the main bedroom.
We're going next.
And now we are heading to the basement.
Maybe can we see the deck?
Oh, the deck, yes.
It's unlocked. Yeah.
So here's the deck, which we are going to try to preserve and fix.
Okay.
Now, this is the basement. So this is just a room, and then we have another bedroom with a full bath.
Okay.
And then we have the garage with a washer and dryer area, a gigantic closet, and a workshop.
Nice. So what are the first things we're doing to the whole house, would you say?
We are going to, get rid of all the things that are attracting bugs, and then we are going to get rid of all the bugs.
Okay. And what else has happened today?
Today we are going to work on the yard, removing all the trash and then mowing and weed eating.
All right. Perfect. Thank you.